morning, everybody. So first I want to say I apologize for not posting any more videos in July. Getting ready for Comic-Con, which was a couple weekends ago. Took a lot more time than I thought it was going to. But I'm excited to say I'm back. I've now switched gears and I'm getting ready for my Christmas show. But the good news for y'all, that means more scripture paintings. And so I'll be able to do more videos and get back on track with that. So I do want to say, also I'm excited to announce that Guided by Faith Designs is now in the sublimation business. And so some of these mugs I designed myself. Some of them I actually purchased this design, but this is actually one of my designs. So it's a feather mug and it just says "Just Breathe." Almost all of my mugs are 15 ounces. So I've got that one. We have this one, and this is kind of an ink blot one with scripture on it. We have this one. And this is just one of dozens that I have that will soon be available on my website. This is actually one of my favorites. I actually purchased this design. I think it works great for us painters. Looks like a paint bucket. Of course, we are proud supporters of military and first responders. This is my thin blue line mug. I'm actually going to start doing these in solid black. And this is the one that I designed last night. That is now one of my favorites. It says "Coffee is my spirit animal." And so we've got sublimation mugs. We also are going to start carrying custom cutting boards. So this is the one that I made for us, for my house. And then we are going to have other stuff. We'll have mouse pads and all that kind of stuff. This is actually a placemat that we did, and these are actually some coasters of the country style. So all kinds of new stuff coming from Guided by Faith Designs. We're really excited about. But today we are going to get back to painting. I will eventually start doing sublimation videos too. So this is an 18 by 24 level 1 artist loft canvas. We are just going to do a straight, just dirty multi-flip cup. All DecoArt products. So we have our DecoArt Pouring Medium, is the pouring medium we're going to use today. And I actually added some of this DecoArt clear pouring top coat to it. So we are going to see how that dries and see if it dries with a better sheen. The colors today are the DecoArt Americana Outdoor Living Porch Swing, and that is actually what the canvas is feather prepped with. DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics Pewter. Metallics Rose Gold. Outdoor Living Hammock. Outdoor Living Treehouse. This is one of the newer colors. I got it at DecoArt.com. This one is Coastal Waters. Get paint all over my hands. And then we have the DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics Dioxine Purple. I get my paints at a variety of places, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, as well as DecoArt.com. You can also get them on Amazon. So links to the Media Fluid Acrylics are down in the description. The rest of them you can just go to Hobby Lobby, Michaels, or any of those places that carry it, or just go to DecoArt.com to get them. All right, our mixtures are a 3-to-1 ratio with a little bit of water. So 3 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint with a little bit of water. Almost every single one of these is 3 ounces of pouring, 2.8 ounces of pouring medium, 0.2 ounces of the clear pouring top coat, 1 ounce of paint, and then 0.2 ounces of water. All right, we are going to go ahead and get started. All right, that is it. We are going to leave it just like that. This is a great painting for us to put a scripture on top of. And so that will be part 2. So this was part 1, just the painting itself. Some of you only like to see the paintings. And that's it. So down in the description below, you'll find all of the paint colors used, as well as the mixture ratios and anything that you need to recreate this painting. Also down in the description, links to my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. Go check me out on Facebook. Go like my page so you can follow me. Find out when all my new stuff is coming. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching part 1. Part 2, we will be putting on our vinyl and sealing our painting. So stay tuned for part 2. I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. And as always, God bless.